Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best garage organizers on Amazon. If you're lucky enough to have a garage on your property, you may also be like millions of Americans who can't park their cars in their garages because they're filled from floor to ceiling with disorganized clutter. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Flexamounts Overhead Garage Storage Rack. The overhead garage storage rack from Flexamounts is an excellent product for anyone who has limited floor space and wants to make efficient use of wasted overhead space in their garage. It takes your tools, bins, and gear and literally lifts it off the floor and out of sight. This rack is constructed from rugged and sleek powder-coated metal and keeps items securely stored without taking up a ton of space. It provides up to 105 cubic feet of storage and measures 96 in L into 48 in W. You can even adjust the height of this rack. You can place it 22 inches to 40 inches from your garage ceiling, depending on what you're storing. What we like about it: lockable cabinets can protect chemicals and gear. Shelves are adjustable for added customization. Heavy-duty wheels allow for easy maneuverability. What we don't like about it: each unit can be a bit pricey. Full assembly can be time-consuming. Locking mechanism could be more sturdy. Number 2. Wall Control 4 feet. Metal pegboard standard tool storage. When it comes to the best overall garage organization system, in terms of functionality, practicality, reliability, and price point, our choice is the Wall Control metal pegboard. This cleverly designed storage system offers virtually endless choices for configuration and customization. One of its best features is that it allows you to quickly and easily see all your gear with one glance by not hiding it behind cabinet doors. This modular system is made in the USA and also offers a huge variety of accessory options for added versatility. This metal pegboard accepts all 1/4-inch pegboard pegs and all wall control slotted accessories. What we like about it: fully customizable storage solutions can accommodate many different tools and gear. Features hooks, bins, shelves, and pegs. Available in lots of different colors of powder-coated metal. What we don't like about it: panels sometimes arrive damaged. Pegs may need some modification to stay securely in the board. Number 3. Seville Classics Cabinet Storage. This heavy-duty rolling cabinet measures 72 in H into 36 in W into 18 in D, making it a great space-saving option for almost any garage. Constructed from high-quality, rugged, precision-cut steel, this cabinet can withstand some serious wear and tear. It's powder-coated for added rust resistance and durability, and the shelves are made from steel and are fully adjustable to accommodate a variety of differently shaped tools, boxes, and gear. This cabinet is capable of holding up to 600 pounds, with each individual shelf having a capacity of 150 pounds. We also like that this cabinet can be locked for added safety, so feel free to store your household, automotive, and lawn care chemicals safely locked away from curious children and pets. Lockable cabinets can protect chemicals and gear. Shelves are adjustable for added customization. Heavy-duty wheels allow for easy maneuverability. What we don't like about it: each unit can be a bit pricey. Full assembly can be time-consuming. Locking mechanism could be more sturdy. Number 4. Ultrawall 13 PCS Tool Storage Rack. The Ultrawall 13 PCS Tool Storage Rack is a wall-mounted storage system designed to help you keep your tools organized and easily accessible. It comes with 9 hooks and is made of heavy-duty steel, ensuring that it can handle the weight of all your tools without bending or breaking. The rack is adjustable, allowing you to customize the placement of the hooks according to your needs. It is also easy to install, with all the necessary hardware included in the package. One of the biggest advantages of the Ultrawall 13 PCS Tool Storage Rack is its heavy-duty steel construction, which makes it incredibly sturdy and durable. What we like about it: sturdy and durable. Adjustable hooks. What we don't like about it: limited storage. Not suitable for heavy tools. Number 5. Rubbermaid Deluxe Tool Tower. This garage organizer that can organize and store all your taller tools and yard gear, you should give the Deluxe Tool Tower from Rubbermaid a try. Made from highly durable and weatherproof resin, this single organizer has the capacity to store and organize more than 40 tools. What we like about it: holds plenty of otherwise awkward long-handled tools and equipment. Mounted on 4 caster wheels for easy maneuverability. What we don't like about it: may not be able to securely hold 40 tools. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.